Hey, what's good, veterans? Jimmy V here, mortgage originator specializing in VA loans. And today I'm going to chat with you about the top 5 myths that can derail a VA loan transaction. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to expect and most importantly, how to navigate it so that way you're AJ squared away when it comes to utilizing your VA home loan benefits. Myth number 1, good to go, is that the VA loan expires or it goes away. Here's the reality, veterans, is that the VA home loan never expires, it never goes away. And even, this is the second point, you can use it as many times as you would like. So one more time, never expires, never goes away, and you can use it as many times as you would like, so long as you have what's referred to as sufficient entitlement. Good to go? The third thing that I want you to know about VA home loans is that, guess what? You can even have more than one VA home loan at a time. There's a lot of veterans that watch this channel and are like, dude, I can't believe you just told me that I can have more than one VA home loan at a time because the mortgage lender who's helping me out told me that that is not the case. I am here today to tell you that yes, you can have more than one VA home loan at a time so long as you have sufficient entitlement. The next thing that I want to cover is that there's this notion out there that VA loans are for subprime borrowers. In other words, like VA loans, they're for veterans who don't have enough money for a down payment or they can't qualify for a VA loan. Do me a favor, don't believe that nonsense. It's bum scoop, it's misinformation, it's fake news, and I don't want veterans thinking that. And really the reason why is because VA loans are some of the most competitive loans that exist on the marketplace today by way of interest rate, the fact that they have no private mortgage insurance, and in addition to that, there is no down payment required. And a couple of other things that I want to cover here really quick is the VA appraisal process. There's this myth or misconception that floats around out there that VA appraisals, they're terrible, and that the appraiser is going to go out there and he's going to appraise the property for less than what it's worth. Not true. Good to go? In fact, I was speaking to a VA appraiser, and by the way, there's actually a video where I interviewed him, and one of the things that we talked about, he said, Jimmy, here's the deal. The VA appraisal will never differentiate or dictate what my value will be. In other words, if they were doing a conventional appraisal, a FHA appraisal, they would arrive at the same exact value. So keep that in mind when utilizing your VA home loan benefit. Generally speaking, 7 to 10 business days that the VA has to deliver that appraisal to your mortgage lender. So that way you can kind of obviously know exactly what your home's appraised value comes in at. Good to go? And then the last thing that I want everybody to know is that the VA loan is not more expensive to use. I'm a fan of Dave Ramsey. I love Dave Ramsey. I think he helps out a lot of people, but in this particular instance, I don't agree with what he said about how VA loans have higher interest rates and more expensive fees. This is just nonsense. It's bum scoop, which is exactly why I want you to know and understand how your VA home loan benefit works. I'm a mortgage loan originator. I specialize in VA loans, and I would be honored to serve you. We serve veterans all across this great nation. So if you have more questions about VA home loan benefits, I want you to know I'm always here to be a resource. Jimmy at VALoans4Vets.com. Hey, thank you, and may God bless you for your service to our great country. Semper Fi.